Hi guys, today you're going to be doing your Meteorite Lab. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this so it should eliminate any kind of confusion you might have. So walk with me. Let's go and take a look at what we're going to do here. So in this lab you're going to be working with three different sizes of objects. You're going to end up having very small ball bearings, more of a medium-sized ball bearing, and a large ball bearing. When you come over here, you're going to end up selecting one of them. Not everybody can do the same size because there are going to be limited amounts of each of them. So just grab one that's available. You will end up doing all three sizes, hopefully by the end of the hour. So I'm going to go ahead and select the big one. These are usually the most fun anyway. Come on over. Now on your iPad, you're going to have the spreadsheet that you would have opened up in Schoology, which actually opens you up to a Google Sheet. Now this spreadsheet will actually allow you to enter your data, and as you enter it, it will actually populate a graph for you. And I'm going to show you how that works here in a little bit. But if you notice the headings, since I'm using the large ball bearing, I'm going to go and fill in the orange boxes since that is where the large ball is located. You'll notice green is the medium and then the blue is the small. So I'm going to be filling in the boxes here for the orange. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is slide out your bin. Make sure it stays on the floor. Because of the sand, it's harder than the table, so if you're doing this on a tabletop, it'll scratch it. So we're going to keep these things on the floor. But you're going to see that you're going to have craters and things in this, so it's not very smooth. So we want to have a smooth surface. To do that, just wiggle it a little bit. It should smoothen it out. Don't go too crazy or you're going to get slanted surfaces and it's not going to work as well. So you really just need to just short little shakes to make it nice and smooth. Then we're going to take our object and figure out what height we're going to drop it at. And I'm going to drop it at 110 centimeters. So a meter stick only has 100 centimeters, so I'm going to have to use two of them and stack them up. Now this is going to be a lot easier to do with a partner, but I'm going to try and do it myself here. Don't bury the meter stick into the sand. If you do that, then you're not getting an accurate height. So you just want to kind of set it right on the very top of the sand, just like this. So we have 100 centimeters plus 10. So I'm going to move the bearing so that it's about in the center, and remove. And there's a little mound around the edge of the crater. I'm going to try and measure from the peak of the mound. And I'm going to actually do two different sides of this. Now remember, we're going to use metric because, well, we're in science class. That's what we use. So the first one comes in at about 8.7 centimeters. In this direction is approximately 9.1. So now what I'm going to do is take an average. So I'm going to type in 8.7 plus 9.1. And I'm going to divide that by 2 to give me an average of 8.9. Now all I need to do is type this in. So the drop height, which is the first column, I'm going to go ahead and down here, and I'm going to type in 110 centimeters. And the crater size that I got, so this is over here, crater size large ball, I got 8.9 and return. And what you're going to notice is on your graph is it's going to populate your 8.9 centimeter crater at 110 centimeters drop height. And once you end up doing all of this, you're going to actually start to get a whole curve forming on this, and they'll be color coded so you'll be able to make your prediction at the end of the hour.